Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the inside scoop on the latest products to hit the market. Today, we've got something that promises to shake up your morning routine: the Nuwave Portable Blender for smoothies and shakes. This small but mighty gadget is designed to take your smoothie game to the next level, and we're here to see if it lives up to its claims. With a 16-ounce capacity, 300-watt motor, and a sleek design, can this portable blender really handle your smoothie cravings on the go? Let's find out. At first glance, the Nuwave Portable Blender is an unassuming piece of equipment, but don't let its size fool you. This blender boasts a powerful 300-watt motor capable of 20,000 RPM with 6 stainless steel blades, designed to crush ice and blend fruits and vegetables effortlessly. The blender's primary claim to fame is convenience. It's lightweight, portable, and features a 16-ounce BPA-Free travel jar with a carry loop, making it perfect for gym sessions, office breaks, or a quick smoothie fix while on the move. It's also rechargeable via USB port, and according to the product specs, you can get up to 30-second blending cycles with 20-plus blends on a full charge. No cords, no hassle. But what's really special here? The blender's compact design allows it to fit into most car cup holders. It's less than 2 pounds, which is incredibly light, and it's got all the convenience of a travel mug without compromising on performance. That's pretty impressive considering many personal blenders are usually too bulky to take on the go, or worse, too weak to actually blend anything effectively. And with its food-grade materials, Tritan for the jar and 304 stainless steel for the blades, it promises durability and safety with each use. You're not just getting a portable solution, you're also getting peace of mind when it comes to the quality of the materials. Now, let's talk about real-world testing. In my experience using the Nuwave Portable Blender, setup is as simple as it gets. Just charge it, fill it with your favorite fruits or ice, and start blending. I tested it with a mix of frozen fruits and leafy greens to see how it handled a more demanding blend. While it's no high-powered commercial blender, it did manage to break down the ingredients fairly quickly, with the 20-second mark being enough for a smooth consistency. However, blending large frozen chunks of ice or tougher vegetables did take a little longer, and I had to pause the blending for a few seconds to allow the motor to cool down. The blender's performance did shine when making regular smoothies with softer ingredients like berries and bananas, giving me the smooth texture I'd expect from a personal blender. As for convenience, this little blender really nails it. The 16-ounce jar size is perfect for a single serving, and it's much easier to clean than traditional blenders. A quick rinse followed by a cycle with soap and water in the jar, and it's ready to go again. The lid seals tightly, ensuring no leaks when you're on the move, and the travel loop makes it easy to carry around. However, a couple of downsides do pop up. The biggest one is the motor's tendency to overheat if used continuously for more than a few cycles. This isn't uncommon with portable blenders of this size, but it's something to be aware of if you're planning on making multiple batches in a row. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Nuwave Portable Blender is incredibly convenient. It's lightweight, easy to store, and can fit in most car cup holders. The battery life is impressive, offering 20-plus blending cycles per charge, which is more than enough for daily use. It's also relatively quiet for a blender of this size, which is a nice touch. The materials used are durable, and the 6-blade system does a decent job of crushing ice and blending fruits smoothly. The fact that the jar and lid are dishwasher safe adds another layer of convenience. On the downside, the motor can overheat with prolonged use, which limits its ability to handle more demanding tasks. If you plan to make smoothies for a group or blend tough ingredients regularly, you might find yourself waiting for the motor to cool down before you can continue. While it's not a deal breaker, it's something to keep in mind. Additionally, while the 16-ounce jar is great for a single serving, it might feel a bit small if you're looking to make larger batches or share with others. In terms of value for money, the Nuwave Portable Blender is certainly priced competitively for a personal blender of its caliber. It's not going to replace a full-sized countertop blender, but it's not meant to. For anyone looking for a convenient, on-the-go solution for making smoothies or shakes, it offers great value for its price. When compared to other portable blenders on the market, many of which are priced similarly, this one stands out for its solid build, decent motor power, and the added bonus of a leak-proof lid and easy portability. Alternatives, like the Ninja Personal Blender or Magic Bullet, offer similar performance, but the Nuwave's compact design and lighter weight make it a standout in the portable category. Now, when it comes to build quality, the Nuwave Portable Blender is quite sturdy, thanks to its food-grade materials and stainless steel blades. It's designed to withstand regular use, but like any portable device, it does have its limits. As long as you don't overuse it in one go, it should last for quite a while. As for longevity, I couldn't find much data on long-term use, but based on the materials and build, I'd expect it to hold up well with proper care. Customer support, while I didn't need to contact them directly, seems to be well regarded based on customer reviews, with the brand offering standard warranties and returns. Nuwave has built a decent reputation over the years, and that confidence extends to this portable blender as well. The final verdict? The Nuwave Portable Blender for Smoothies and Shakes is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a compact, portable, and effective solution for blending on the go. It delivers on its promise of convenience and solid performance, making it perfect for busy individuals or those who like to travel with their smoothies. The only major downside is its limited power for tougher ingredients and the occasional motor overheating. But if you stick to simple smoothies and shakes, it's a reliable little blender. If you're someone who needs to blend large batches or tougher items regularly, you might want to consider something with a bit more power. But for the everyday user, it's a strong contender in the portable blender market. If you're interested, you can find the link to purchase the Nuwave Portable Blender in the comments below. Feel free to share your thoughts if you've already used this blender or if you have any questions about it. Thanks for watching, and remember, there's always more to explore at Reviewsinside TV. Until next time, keep blending those smoothies and stay smooth.